Hey guys, quick update with Bitcoin. So I'm going to discuss this chart and show you why this is so important and why this next move is going to be epic. Guys, if you like this content, leave a like. I appreciate it. Speaking of likes, the last video I asked you guys to leave at least 3,000 likes and I would share with you when we cross the ring or before we cross it. I only got 1.8 thousand likes. Didn't reach my target, but as a thank you, that's why I'm putting up this video. Guys, I just try to help you find points to get in, points to get out. It was 8 days ago. In this video here, said one last pump before next major crash, and I was just telling you that it seemed likely, based on this chart, that we were at support. This ring was here. It was likely we would ride up this ring. I said when we cross this ring, this would be the point you short. Otherwise, you'd be long until we cross the ring. I'll put a link to this video now if you want to check it out. And just to show you how well this played out. All right, so this is the chart. I'm going to break it down for you and show you why this is such a crucial point we're at price and time. So this is the same chart. Take note this blue ring right here, and take note this red ring right here. Right, this was a video I put up. This was 5 months ago. Said Bitcoin could pump to 22K from here. Bitcoin price was at 16K at the time. I'll put a link to this video now if you want to check it out. But notice I was pointing to this ring, saying that we could push up this ring, right? And then also take note this red ring was already in place. And now this is on the weekly. I'm not showing you the daily because that would give away where we are at the ring, but just so you can see how this played out. I was calling for a pump when we crossed this ring, and this is this red ring that we make contact that's referencing in that previous video. Watch what happened. We pumped when we crossed the ring, and we pumped when we hit this red ring. That's how I knew we get a pump here and a pump here. And I'm telling you, when we cross this ring, we're going to get possibly an epic dump. So again, that's what I'm saying, this chart is so important. I'm going to break it down for you. Now guys, if you do want to trade this, I use BitGet. You will need to use a VPN, and you will have to do KYC. I do have a no VPN option for you also. Both those links are pinned first comment description. If you want to get access to this live chart, you can by signing up to my website. That link's also pinned in first comment description, and you can get access to our Discord. So let me break this down and show you why this chart is so important. If you'll notice, first of all, you'll see I have 3 rings here: a blue ring, a blue fib circle, red fib circle, and yellow fib circle. Take note, this yellow fib circle, price has been respecting this going back years. You see it was resistance right here, it was support right here, and this ring up here, we did push above it somewhat, but you notice that it was pretty much resistance. We would top out, right? Well, we're at one of these yellow rings as resistance. So that's one point I'm trying to make you aware of, that we're at a key resistance level on one fib circle. This is that blue ring. I said when we cross it, so every time we cross one of these blue rings, we get a pump. So that's how I knew at this point we would pump from here. Take note, we're at another blue ring. That should act as resistance. So that's 2 resistance levels for a possible drop. And the most important thing, as I told you, I said when we approach this red ring, we expect a pump. You can see how well we're just riding right up this ring. Well, you'll notice every time we've crossed one of these red rings, we've always got a drop. Right here we crossed it, we dropped. Right here we crossed it, we dropped. We crossed it here, we dropped over 50%. We came up, we tested it, we crossed it, we dropped what, over 55. Let's see, how much did we drop from there? We dropped a total of, in total, over 60%. Notice when we dropped below it here, we dropped again, and that was a total of, you can't see the wicks on this, but that's at least 30%. Notice we pushed back up, we broke it, we dropped again, we pushed back up, we broke it, we dropped again. So we've never crossed one of these red rings without dropping. So understand this. We're about to cross a ring, this red ring, when we've never crossed it without dropping previously, which hints to a drop, and we're under a key resistance, this blue ring and this yellow ring. That tells me we have a big move to the downside coming. But I just want to break it down for you and make you understand why this is so important and why I'm in a short currently. But guys, that's pretty much it. If you don't get access to this chart, you can't sign up. Link's pinned in first comment description. If you want to sign up for BitGet or my other option for no VPN, no KYC, that link's also pinned in first comment description. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.